Personality and intelligence. Personality and intelligence are two of the most fascinating aspects of human psychology because they shape everything from how we think to how we behave, how we solve problems, and how we interact with the world around us. People often imagine that personality is only about being calm, angry, shy, or bold, while intelligence is only about scoring well on tests, but the truth is far more complex. Both personality and intelligence have deep psychological roots, they influence each other in subtle ways, and together they create a unique psychological blueprint for every individual. Understanding their connection helps us make sense of why people learn differently, behave differently, and succeed differently in life. Intelligence is often defined as the ability to learn, understand, reason, and apply knowledge. However, psychologists today believe that intelligence is not just one thing. Some people excel in logical thinking, some in creativity, some in emotional understanding, and some in practical problem solving. Intelligence also develops throughout life, shaped by both genes and environment. Early experiences, nutrition, schooling, social interaction, culture, and even stress levels affect how intelligence grows. This makes intelligence not something fixed, but something flexible that responds to the life conditions around us. Personality, on the other hand, refers to the consistent patterns of feelings, thoughts, and behaviors that make each person unique. The most widely accepted model describes personality based on 5 major dimensions: openness to experience, conscientiousness, extroversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. These traits influence how we deal with emotions, how we respond to challenges, and how we relate to other people. Like intelligence, personality is shaped by both nature and nurture. It is partly influenced by the genes we inherit, and partly shaped by the environments we grow up in, including family relationships, culture, and personal experiences. The relationship between personality and intelligence is not simple, but there are patterns that researchers consistently observe. People who are high in openness to experience tend to score higher in intelligence tests, especially those that measure creativity, imagination, curiosity, and abstract thinking. Open individuals enjoy learning new things, exploring ideas, and thinking deeply, which naturally boosts their intellectual abilities. Meanwhile, conscientious individuals, who are usually organized, disciplined, and responsible, tend to perform better in educational environments because they work hard, manage time well, and stay committed to long-term goals. Their intelligence may not be exceptionally high, but their work ethic amplifies their performance. Extroversion and intelligence are less directly connected, but extrovert individuals sometimes excel in social intelligence because they interact more with people, pick up social cues quickly, and learn through communication. Introverted individuals, on the other hand, often excel at deep focus, complex problem solving, or creative tasks because they are internally oriented and comfortable spending time alone. Agreeableness is connected to emotional intelligence because individuals who are kind, cooperative, and empathetic usually understand emotions better. Neuroticism, however, sometimes interferes with performance because anxiety and negative emotions can block effective thinking, reduce concentration, and make problem-solving more difficult. Interestingly, intelligence also influences personality. For example, people with higher intelligence often handle stress better because they can analyze situations more clearly, plan solutions, and understand consequences more accurately. This may reduce their neurotic tendencies. Higher intelligence may also increase openness because intelligent people tend to enjoy exploring ideas and engaging in intellectual discussions. At the same time, intelligence can increase confidence, which influences how individuals express their personality in social settings. Both personality and intelligence are shaped strongly from early childhood, but contrary to old beliefs, they do not remain frozen throughout life. Experiences, education, relationships, trauma, and achievements can all change how a person thinks or behaves. A child who grows up in a supportive environment tends to develop higher emotional intelligence and stable personality traits. A child encouraged to explore ideas, solve problems, and express curiosity tends to develop higher cognitive abilities. Even in adulthood, learning new skills, practicing discipline, and maintaining social relationships can strengthen both personality and intelligence. This means people have more power to evolve than they often believe. Another important area of research is cultural influence. Some cultures encourage logical thinking and academic performance, while others emphasize emotional expression, social harmony, or creativity. These cultural values shape both personality traits and types of intelligence that are valued and developed. A person raised in a culture that rewards conformity and discipline might develop high conscientiousness, while another raised in a culture that encourages questioning and creativity might develop high openness. Culture can also change the meaning of intelligence, because what counts as smart varies across societies. Modern neuroscience adds more depth to this topic by showing that both personality and intelligence are connected to specific brain structures and neural patterns. The brain areas responsible for planning, reasoning, emotional regulation, and social interaction influence both intelligence and personality. The brain is highly plastic, meaning it changes based on experiences, habits, and learning, which explains why people can improve their thinking ability or reshape aspects of their personality through effort and training. Understanding personality and intelligence has practical importance in everyday life. It explains why students perform differently even if they study the same material. It explains why some people excel at leadership positions, some at technical tasks, some at emotional caregiving roles, and some at creative professions. It also helps people understand themselves better, choose suitable careers, improve relationships, and develop personal growth strategies. When people learn about their personality and intelligence profile, they can set realistic goals, build on strengths, and work on weaknesses without frustration. In the end, personality and intelligence are not separate boxes, but interconnected dimensions of the human mind. They influence each other through biological, social, and emotional mechanisms. They evolve throughout life and can be developed through effort, learning, and self-awareness. A deeper understanding of these two powerful psychological forces helps people appreciate human diversity, reduce judgment, and develop healthier ways of interacting with themselves and the world. Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful and informative, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more educational content.